Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Axel Obalia Putra. I want to present my project. The title is Understanding the C-Test Language Assessment. So, first is introducing to the C-Test. The C-Test is a variation of the closed test designed to assess a learner general language competence. It evaluates grammar, vocabulary, and contextual understanding at once, making it a practical tool for language educators. Next, historical background. The concept of the reduced redundancy means that natural language allows us to predict missing information from context. The C-test used the principle by deleting parts of word to test comprehension efficiency. Next, structure of a C-test. Each text is carefully selected to ensure balanced vocabulary and grammar. The blanks are not random. They are systematically applied to make scoring objective and fair. How to construct a C-test? Construction must ensure that each text represents natural and grammatically complete language. The first two sentences are left intact to help students understand the context before they begin filling in blanks. Next, example of a C-test. Passage. Students use linguistic and contextual clues to reconstruct missing parts. This shows their integrate language ability rather than isolate grammar knowledge. Next, scoring the C-test. Scoring is straightforward, which makes the C-test reliable because each item has a clear correct answer. Teachers can easily ensure inter-reader consistency. Next, advantage of the C-test. C-test gives teacher a quick yet accurate way to assess overall proficiency. They are effective for placement tests or progress monitoring in language program. Next, limitation of the C-test. While useful, the C-test doesn't measure oral or oral competence. Teachers should combine it with other assessment for a complete language profile. C-test versus closed test. The C-test improves the weakness of the closed test by using a consistent deletion rule and clear scoring, reducing the chance of multiple correct answers. Next, application in EFL context. Many EFL programs use C-test for entry-level placement or for measuring progress after instruction. It's also common in academic research because of its reliability. And last, conclusion. The Z-test remains one of the most effective ways to evaluate language knowledge holistically. However, it should complement other test types to provide a complete picture of a learner's ability. And then I have a study case. Um, as a language instructor in the English department, the goal is to evaluate the overall language proficiency of 30 intermediate level students. To achieve this, the C-test method is used because it integrates the assessment of reading comprehension, grammar, and vocabulary in an efficient, reliable, and objective way. This is the C-test for reading comprehension. People around the world are becoming more aware of the importance of protecting the environment. Many countries have started campaigns to reduce plastic use and to promote recycling. schools and universities encourage students to join environmental clubs and take part in cleanup programs. These efforts help create a sense of responsibility among young people and teach them how small actions can make a big difference in saving our planet. And then the C test for grammar. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock and take a shower before breakfast. After that, I go to work by bus and usually arrive at the office around 8. I spend most of my day answering emails, attending meetings, and writing reports. At noon, I have lunch with my CO workers. I return home around 5 and sometimes go for a walk in the park before dinner. And then the citas for vocabulary. Technology has changed the way people communicate. In the past, people use letters or face-to-face meeting to share information. Today, smartphone and the internet allow instant messaging and video calls across the world. Social media platform make it easy to connect with friends, share photos, and express opinions. However, too much screen time can cause problems such as stress and lack of sleep. So it is important to balance technology use. And then I have a scoring guide, 1 point per correctly restored word, no partial point scoring, total score 30 points, higher score, higher proficiency. Conclusion, uh, integrative measures grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension simultaneously. Revision, short text can quickly assess proficiency for large groups. Objective, clear scoring rules minimize subjectivity. Reliable, consistent deletion rules ensure standardization. Valid, reflects authentic language processing, unlike multiple choice tests that may rely on test talking skills. Using the C-test for assessing intermediate student provides a balanced and valid measurement of language proficiency by combining reading, grammar, and vocabulary tasks. Instructors can evaluate both accuracy and comprehension in a single, efficient assessment format. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.